What if I told you the hardest part about making money online right now isn't the actual work? It's the fact that you are still trying to do it all on your own. Right now, there is a quiet shift happening. Regular people with absolutely zero tech backgrounds are building automated income streams from their living rooms. And they are doing it by treating AI not as a fancy search engine, but as an invisible employee. If you have felt left behind by this massive AI wave, or if you've tried to use tools like ChatGPT to make money and just ended up staring at a blank screen, you need to hear this. Because today, I'm going to show you the exact blueprint beginners are using to generate real, predictable income without needing a single coding or marketing skill. Let me tell you about David. David is just a regular guy. He works a standard 9-to-5, comes home completely exhausted, but he desperately wanted to build a side hustle to finally pay off his car loan. So he did what everyone else does. He watched a few trending videos and jumped on the hype train. He tried generating AI art to sell on Etsy. He tried making AI-written ebooks for Amazon Kindle. He spent weeks staring at his laptop late into the night, and he made exactly $0. Why? Because David made the biggest mistake beginners make right now. He used AI to make generic products in a flooded market. He wasn't solving a real problem for anyone. He was just adding to the noise. He almost gave up right there. He thought this whole AI thing was just a massive scam created by people selling overpriced courses. But then he completely flipped his strategy, and everything changed. Instead of trying to sell cheap $5 things to millions of strangers, he decided to sell valuable things to a few specific businesses. He realized that local business owners don't have the time or the energy to learn AI. They are too busy running their actual shops. They don't care about the tech, they just want results. So here's the simple 3-step framework David used and exactly how you can copy it today. Step 1. Find a painful, specific gap. David noticed that local real estate agents in his area had a terrible social media presence. They posted blurry photos, boring captions, and went weeks without updating anything. They didn't need to hire a massive, expensive marketing agency. They just needed consistent, professional updates to look good to buyers. Step 2. Build your invisible AI assembly line. David didn't sit down and write those captions himself. He went to a free AI tool, and he used a very specific master prompt. He typed, "Act as an expert real estate copywriter." Write 30 engaging Facebook posts for a local realtor, focusing on community tips and housing market updates. Make the tone friendly, professional, and designed to get comments. In about 10 seconds, the AI gave him pure gold. He had a full month's worth of premium content. He then used a free design tool to quickly pair these captions with simple, clean templates. Step 3. The undeniable proof offer. He didn't send out hundreds of spam emails begging for a job. He found 5 local realtors. He looked at their Facebook pages, picked their absolute worst recent post, and used his new AI system to completely rewrite and redesign it. He emailed them the finished product for free. He just said, "Hey, I noticed your last post wasn't getting much traction. I went ahead and upgraded it for you to get more clicks. You can use this completely for free. If you want a whole month of content just like this, I charge $300. Out of 5 emails, 2 realtors replied almost immediately. They loved it. They didn't care how long it took him. They didn't care that an AI wrote it. They only cared that it solved a massive headache for them. Just like that, David had $600 a month in recurring predictable income. He didn't need to be a marketing genius. He just became the bridge between a powerful free AI tool and a business owner who didn't have the time to use it. It is completely realistic. It takes some initial effort and research. But the heavy lifting, the actual execution, is entirely handled by the tech. This is just one example. There are dozens of micro problems out there right now just waiting to be solved by someone who knows how to type a simple instruction into a chat box. So, what is a local business near you that clearly needs help with their online presence? Let me know in the comments below. Let's brainstorm some ideas together. If you want to keep learning how to navigate this new digital economy and actually build wealth this year, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Welcome to Money Spark. I'll see you in the next one.